always hang around graveyards and scare people?
Hey, we're just having a goof.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today what we're going to be doing is my tia ended up sending me makeup that she got for me from Colorado. It's not like Colorado exclusive. I mean, everybody knows this brand. When you start getting into makeup, when you're younger, you pretty much get any palette or any type of makeup that you can get on your hands and that you can afford. So Profusion is a very good brand for that. They have very affordable shades. A lot of their stuffs are dupes for other products as well. The pigmentation on this palette is very fantastic in my opinion. I mean, the shimmers in this palette are so beautiful. I mean, dog. If you don't freak with Profusion shimmers, then like, what are you doing? You know what I mean? So that's the palette that we're going to be working with today, and I'm going to go ahead and throw in this very safe comment for anyone that buys makeup off of websites or at flea markets, and don't buy makeup at unmarked cosmetic websites that are approved by the FDA. Do not buy products at flea markets, because 9 times out of 10 they are going to be fake products, and that means that they're unsafe. They have chemicals that are going to ruin your skin, and they may, like, there are products that have left to fatalities, amputations, and skin removal. Like, it's not safe at all. So the product that I'm about to name is the Beauty Treats cosmetic line. I've never heard of this this cosmetics line in my life, so I did some research. After I did my research, from what I've seen, for the most part, is a lot of unsatisfaction from customers. There's a female and she says, Beauty Treats, in my opinion, is just a waste of money. I wouldn't even buy it for my daughter to play with. So I'm gonna show you guys what this palette looks like, right? So you're like, oh my god, these are super pretty colors. That's what I thought at first. But so you guys see that I'm not, you know, messing with this. This is the red, okay? I'm gonna rub my finger. That glitter that you just saw that shimmered on the top is gone. And this is what it looks like on my finger. Okay, so it looks kind of okay, I guess, but if you look at it up close, this on my hand, okay? What is that? And when I tell you guys, when I put it on my finger, it feels like petroleum jelly. It feels like petroleum jelly. Like, that is all that it is. That is all that is made up of, is petroleum jelly. So I'm going to go to the one color that I haven't touched yet, and we'll go to this one, okay? You see it's shiny, right? Where's that shiny now? I mean, it looks pretty nice on my finger right now. But if I go and I put it on my hand, it's the same thing. It's oily, it's disgusting, it doesn't feel good on the skin. I would not recommend putting this on your eyes, let alone my hand. I don't like it at all. My poor tia was basically, she paid money because she doesn't know makeup well. I mean, she loves makeup so much, but she doesn't know products very well, which is not her fault. So this is just a warning. Do not buy from Beauty Treats. Do not buy from cosmetic lines that you don't really know very well, and don't buy from flea markets or little shops, because 9 times out of 10 they're selling fake products, and products that could possibly harm your body or your skin. So just a warning, this is completely trash, and it's going in the trash right now as we speak. By the way, guys, I did speak to her on the phone today to let her know that the other one, the Beauty Treats, not the one, sis. That's not the one. But shout out to my tia for all the good intentions that she had in getting it, because she didn't know she got duped, which is not cool at all. So today we're going to be using this palette. Of course, we're going to prime my eyes, but instead of using concealer this time, we're going to use the Primer Potion by Urban Decay. Eyes are primed. It came with brushes, and the brushes that it came with are these. I wouldn't really recommend using these two. This one's more for like concealer, and this one's more, you know, it's harder to grab these kind of colors just because they're so soft. I used this in my last video that I'll upload later. So those are the brushes that it came with. They're very nice. They're not bad quality or anything. They just don't, this one doesn't work very well with what you're handed. You know what I mean? So what we're going to start with is I'm going to go ahead and just start with this color right here. And I'm actually going to go in with this brush and just put it right above my brow bone. Quick thing, if you have a very spread out brush like this, the kickback in the pan is crazy. There's a lot of fallout. So let's just see how it goes on the face. Okay, dog, like, look how light this color is and the pigment on it. Sis. So now the next thing that we're gonna do, by the way, really quickly before I move on to the next thing, this palette smells amazing. I'm not saying I do like the way old ladies smell. I love the way old ladies smell. This palette smells like the most beautiful old lady that you ever met in your entire life. So if you guys just sniff it, it smells really good. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're going to take this lighter brown and put it in our crease. Pigmentation in this palette is crazy. Two dips, and that's what that looks like. I'm in awe. Okay, so now the next thing that we're gonna do is we're going to take this brush and we're going to go in this darker brown and we're just going to finesse it into the outer part of our lid. Okay, so now I figured out that we can use this and we're gonna use it for the under eye. We're gonna go in with that lighter brown and put it on our under eye and drag it towards the center a little bit. Alrighty. So the next thing that we're going to do is we are actually going to take this lighter color right here and we're going to put it toward, like, in the center of our eye a little bit, blend it with this darker brown that we use. The only downfall to this palette is the amount of fallout that I'm getting, like, in the pan. The kickback in the pan is crazy. So we're actually going to take that same exact brush, but this part of it, and we're gonna go in with this same color right here, and we're gonna put on the under eye in the inner part. So the last thing that we're gonna do is we're going to take this brush, which I am certain it is for the shimmers, which are so beautiful. And we have 2 steps in this last, so it's like a, you know, last step part A. And the last step, part A, is going to be this color right here, and we're going to put it on the outer part of our lid. I lied, there's like 1 extra part to this. So the extra part to this A, B, C will be this color right here, and we're going to put that in the center of our eye. Alright, so the last part of this look, I'm going to take this color right here and put it right on the inner part of our lid, and also use that as our center mark for our highlight. Alright, guys, this is the finished look. I actually really enjoy working with this palette. I didn't think I was, just because it was Profusion. No diss to Profusion, it's just I use a lot of NYX cosmetics. I also use BH Cosmetics a lot, so deferring to a more affordable brand, a more pigmented brand. I'm not saying that these brands aren't pigmented either, but for a dupe brand, I'm gonna call it a dupe brand because it's actually really good if you don't have a lot of money and you're just looking for a lot of cheaper versions of products. Profusion is the way to go. Their brushes are really good. Not all of their brushes are very good, to be honest, but they do work well with what they give you, in my opinion. So if you guys did enjoy this video, leave a like down below, leave comments, you know, send love, send besitos. I really appreciate all of my viewers, and I'm sorry that I've been gone for so long. There's just a lot of different things going on in my life now. I do work a lot. I'm just a very busy independent female at the moment, so I have to do what I have to do to make my money. So if you guys want to see anything else, you know what the drillio is. I'm not even wearing highlight, guys. This is just my natural oils. So yes, I'm very oily today. Thank you for noticing. I will see you guys in my next video. Besitos.